I'm Mark Nelson. I own Nelson Log Restoration out of Cody, Wyoming, and we've been in the restoration business for about 15 years. Kind of started my first log replacement restoration job in 1989, and since then, about 10 years ago, we started focusing specifically on log restoration. So we're down here in Arab, Alabama, working on a house, and we're going to tackle a lot of the different problems that we run into. Log homes are significantly different than a conventionally framed home. For one thing, your logs are your structure. So the structure part of the home is exposed to the elements. When a tree falls over, it tries to rot. So our job is trying to prevent that rot. So if you think about a conventionally framed home, you have all of your structure is covered and hidden by other protective layers. So what we're trying to do is we provide protective layers to keep the logs from rotting. There's a significant amount of rot, failed stain, failed chinking, failed caulking, splashback issues. It's just kind of got everything that we run into on a log home. One of the biggest problems that we do see on this home is the fact that the stain failed some time ago, and it has allowed more moisture to get into the logs and create more problems. Our objective is to seal this house and to prevent any moisture or anything from getting into the internal parts of the logs.